Are you preparing for the Ramsay Maintenance Test and wondering what to expect? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll break down every section of the test, walk you through realistic sample questions, and give you the insights you need to boost your chances of passing. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear game plan to tackle the test with confidence and get one step closer to landing the job you want. But before we jump into the sample questions, let's quickly cover the basics. The Ramsay Maintenance Test, also known as the Ramsay MultiCraft Test, is one of the most widely used assessments for maintenance and technical roles. Let's take a closer look at what it's all about. The test consists of 60 multiple-choice questions and typically takes 60 minutes to complete. However, keep in mind that the time limit can vary depending on the employer's preferences. Some may give you more time, while others might set stricter limits, so it's always good to check in advance. The Ramsay MultiCraft Test is designed for journey-level and above journey-level maintenance mechanics and technicians. It evaluates your knowledge across a wide range of mechanical and electrical concepts, helping employers assess your technical skills during the hiring process. Many major companies, including Walmart, Amazon, and USPS, use this test or a variation of it to find top maintenance professionals. Now that you have a better understanding of the exam and why it's used, let's dive into the sample questions so you know exactly what to expect. The test is divided into 7 sections, each covering different technical topics. Here's a breakdown of how many questions you'll face in each section. Let's get into it. We're starting with the first section, hydraulics and pneumatics. Here's a sample question to give you a feel for what you'll be facing. Next up, let's take a look at the welding and rigging section. Here's a sample question to give you an idea of what to expect. Now, let's move on to the biggest section of the test. Here's a sample question to show you what you'll be tackling. The test covers a wide range of subjects, but some sections are more important than others. To maximize your score, focus on these high-impact topics. Once you've mastered the key topics, don't forget to review the remaining sections to avoid weak spots that could hurt your score. Oh, and if you're finding this video helpful, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and allows us to keep making valuable content to help you succeed in your career. Now, let's move on to the remaining 4 sections of the test. I'll go through them one by one, and you can pause the video to take a closer look at each question. So, how did you do? Drop your answers to the 7 questions in the comments below. You'll also find the correct answers listed in the video description. I know some of these questions can be tricky, but it's crucial to master these topics. Employers don't just look at your overall score. They pay close attention to how well you perform in each section because they want technicians who can confidently handle mechanical, electrical, and troubleshooting tasks in real-world situations. If you're serious about passing the Ramsay Maintenance Test, check out our complete practice package. It includes 8 full-length Ramsay-style practice simulations plus targeted drills for key mechanical and electrical topics, designed by mechanical and electrical engineers to match the real exam. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Got any questions about the test? Drop them in the comments or send us an email. We're happy to help. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us keep creating great content to support your career goals. Now go crush that Ramsay test. You got this.